All right, so this is question number 7 in the exercise set for chapter 7, section 4. And what we have here is we have this larger triangle here with one of the angles bisected. And the conjecture states that if an angle of a triangle is bisected, it divides the opposite side into the same ratio as the sides that formed the original angle. So if the original sides are in a ratio of 10 to 15 or 2 to 3, then the sides will also be in a ratio of 2 parts to 3 parts. So how that plays out here, you can see I just have it labeled here and set up the proportion. So we're saying A is to C, so AC is to AB. So AC is to AB. The sides of the angle are in the same ratio as the opposite side. So then we would say CD is to BD. If I plug in the values here, 15 and 10, you can see that the opposite side has been divided into the ratio of 3 to 2. How that plays out when you solve the question is, now that we know that this represents 3 parts and this represents 2 parts, we can now change our focus to this smaller triangle and this larger triangle. These two triangles are going to be, similar triangles because of the reflexive property. They have an overlapping angle, and then because these are parallel, corresponding angles would also be congruent. So what are we going to say here? We're going to say the right-hand side CD is to the right-hand side CB as ED is to AB. Okay. When I plug in the values, we have 3A's to 5A, we have X's to 10. The A's will simplify. We now have this proportion. If you cross multiply, you can solve and get X equal to 6.